DGS Action News. I'm Nick, and I call this chicken RCTIPU.
I'm Will. I'm Ellie, and I call this one Bartholomew.
I'm Micah. This week's episode is about the DGSN gardening elective. What I like about the program is how not only do we grow plants outside in the community garden, but we get to share the produce with others and help the community.
What I like most is our teacher, Mr. Nick. He's very relaxed and loves teaching us new things and giving us responsibilities.
My favorite part about the gardening program is definitely tending to the animals and outdoor gardening.
I also like tending to the animals, and I like petting the animals as well.
Thanks, students. Yeah, we are so pleased with our gardening program. It's really something that stands out about our school and our focus on sustainability. And what Mr. Nick has built at this school is just legendary. We didn't have a vision or a blueprint for our gardening program. And Mr. Nick, also working with Mr. Matt of Sustain Ed Farms, have built a program where we have animals on campus, where we have this beautiful garden that our students get a chance to upkeep. It's an incredible point of pride. The indoor gardening area just looks amazing. And we just love that our students are the ones that are building the space. Our students are the ones that are attending to the animals and taking care of our plants. And our students are benefiting from having such a rich learning environment. The credit goes to Mr. Nick. He built this program from the ground up, and we are so grateful to have him.
So for today's Teacher Showcase, we are going to be learning more about Mr. Chris. Mr. Chris is one of our founding teachers and partners at DGS Northfield, and he is a teacher who brings so much love and precision to the craft. He's really passionate about students doing the heavy lifting as they think, and also in communicating what they're learning. And so our teachers just learn a lot from Chris as a professional and a colleague, and we just sure appreciate his even, steady, and loving persona in front of students. So please enjoy learning more about Mr. Chris.
I like Mr. Chris because he always supports students when they need extra support, and he also gives us extra rewards and stuff when we do good things. Like he always gives us tickets and lets us do extra things when we're being good.
I appreciate Mr. Chris because he helps us with our work a lot, and he also is very comforting. He's a very comforting teacher, and if we have a question, he'll answer it for us.
One of the reasons I appreciate working with Chris is because he is the embodiment of love and high expectations, not just as a teacher, but also as a coach, and he shows that every single time we meet together.
I enjoy teaching at Denver Green School because of two things, because of the students primarily, one, and because of the curriculum that we get to design. I love building relationships with students, and it's just an open place to have fun, and we have the autonomy to do a variety of things and just have a good time. The other thing is we get to build curriculum with students that have a relevant purpose and give them the desire to